gotta get in that house. The treasure's in there somewhere.
Damn, this one's locked. Let's check the back.
Leave! Before they find it!
Here we go. Come on, Seth.
Jesus, what?
That's good! He's inside! Son of a...
I'll kill all you fools!
Okay, things are really starting to fall apart here. Now you've done it! What the hell?
Think you can just walk in here?
What's that meant to be?
That's it, partner. Smoke 'em. I'll like 'em better dead.
Damn, you jumpy! There's too many of us!
What are you...
Blow their damn brains out! This can't be happening.
You coming over here to get...
You'll never find it. I had it with you bastards. Torch me any longer? Get over here! Yahoo! Finally, I see the light at the end of this very long, long tunnel. Seth's gonna be rich after all these years. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's silk sheets and Parisian whores from now on, mister. What the goddamn hell is this? A glass eye.
I'm sure whoever that belonged to treasured it very much.
Stupid liars. Those stupid chicken shit maps. Making a damn fool of me. A glass eye! It's a glass eye!
Stop with the tears and help me with Williamson's gang. And you can come up with another excuse to go exhume one of your old friends.
Hunting dead man's treasure ain't done me no favors. Sure. I'm ready for the living. I'll see you and Mr. West Dickens over at Fort Mercer when you gentlemen is ready.